Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will do unboxing of Starlink internet kit. I'm ordered this one from online official website starlink.com. How to order, I already make a video how to order, and this kit is absolutely free. I'm paying from next month 260 Danish krona as a monthly subscription for the unlimited internet services we are receiving directly from the satellite. If you want get 1 month internet absolutely free, you should use my referral link is available on video description, referral link coming here as well. So now we will do unboxing which types of hardware we are receiving in this box. Let's check it out. The box is very easy to remove this one. Same thing, this side. Oh, this is the capturing the satellite frequency. Apart from that, we are receiving, this is the one more device. They are providing enough or huge amount of LAN cable as well. Here is the magic booklet, the power cable, and this is the power adapter as well. You need to connect the power from here. This is inside the house. This is the top of the house, and that's it. Packaging is much impressive. The process, it's very easy. So here the manual they are providing inside the box. So how exactly working this one, we can go one by one. So first of all, you need to scan this QR code, download the application, scan QR code and download the application. Like this, application available Android and iOS as well. I select the iOS, get the download. This is the application. Installation is completed. Wait couple of seconds. Application is downloaded. So this is the Starlink application I order. I need to set up. So which one is mini or standard? So my kit personally is a standard. So I select the standard, confirm, and now find the best satellite. So here find the location as well, the route where you fix accordingly. You just provide as say route, camera, allow the location and continue. Find the best position. We can check this one later. How to fix this one, it's very easy. And here they're providing the two cable as well. This is the LAN cable. Yes, and this is the typically something new as we receive every time. Check properly and then fix. So now this is the fix. The rest of portion I need to fix in my top floor, in roof floor. This is the power cable. This is the power adapter. Why they are providing this one? This is a 100 and 240 volt. It's super power passionate. So here two LAN cable, you can directly connect on your PC as well if you don't use in LAN services, Wi-Fi services, but I just simply say okay. Everything is very fixed here. And another cable coming from your roof, so fix like this. So yeah, after fixing this one, question come how you open. It's very easy. Here they're showing like this, and you can open like this, but carefully. And this is the power cable as well. So this one fix all over world, but I'm living here in Europe, so this adapter is perfectly okay for me. Now I just simply fix first of all this one in group and then connect the internet. The Starlink application providing you the instruction, north, amplitude and accordingly. So the application say me you can fix like this your Starlink. Now wait couple of seconds to bring this one for the cable. So this is the final after power is connected. So this is the cable connected. Afterwards just simply open the application and application automatically showing you this configuration. You need to complete this process 0 to 100, download the software, and afterwards the configuration is going on here. Everything is depend upon the Starlink application. After connection, here the little tiny light is showing. It means the power is coming in this white box. It's easy. Final outcome, my internet is activated here. My monthly plan is 260 Danish krona. So everything is set up. Even I connected here the internet as well. Sing_Starlink is my internet name. Next video I will make entire explanation of Starlink application, how to connect, how to change the name of the internet, how to set password and rest of information. So this video is conclude here with the help of entire connection.